Sanmanani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, Igama, Xolile Wendy Wakaspear, and this is my YouTube channel, Wendy Unfiltered. So, Angela, Gokolisa guys, post. I don't know how many people esenhlangane nabo. Umuntu ethi, "Mfethu, why you post it on YouTube?" Uthola ukuthi omunye sihlangana endaweni like ngathi la engathatha khona i-content, you know. Mhlawumbe omunye expect ukuthi I'm gonna take like videos and post yabo and all of that. Because ngiyawathatha ama-video guys, ngiyawathatha. Ngicabanga ukuthi no, ngizoyenza i-vlog. Inga-editheki. Ngiyaxolisa guys. I'm so sorry for that. Because I think the last time I posted was July, if I'm not mistaken. Around there. Yeah, so I'm going to try my best to le engenza manje editing post. Editing post. Please editing post. So you guys are going to come with me. So you'll shoot my episodes for Emma Siswe, which plays on SABC 1 Mzansi for sure on Wednesday at 6. So I'm really not too sure will I be posting this vlog now, or I'll be posting the vlog like after the whole season so that you guys can see like the behind the scenes and all of that. But I think I'm gonna post after, you know. Yeah, in total it's 13 episodes and we have 3 episodes remaining for us to shoot. So I'm gonna post after, because even the previous episodes la would be siwa shooter the diaries for that being ithathe content yabo, but now I felt like it was incomplete, you know, being ngakhona ukuthi ni editing ngale ndlela mina ngifisa uku-editha ngayo because ayiphelelanga yabo. Isizathu sokuthi ngaphelele ukuthi like I couldn't take ama-video whilst shooting, you know. So bekuba nzima bengithatha ama-video if kukuthi mhlambe siyenza ngaleso sikhathi, or like we're on break, you know, and then I'll take ama-video there and there, or ngathi ngisashoot I ask someone ukuthi ngishute and all of that, or take videos. But now umuntu mangabe sokushoot akashoot ngale ndlela wena usukufuna ukushootha ngayo, you know. Yeah, so that's my other problem, but we'll see ukuthi sowenza kanjani manje. And it's raining cats and dogs. I don't know what how is this gonna work. So I've already showered. I just need to take a cup of coffee, no tea actually. So I'm gonna opposite guys. But I'm very young ukuthi. So yeah, I'm going to eat positive. My throat is very sore, so my voice needs to voice because I'm the whole day. So yeah, and then we go. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to click the buttons at the bottom of your screen. Subscribe, click the notification button, and you also like and share the video so that your friend can see me, so that your friend can see the behind the scenes. Musuba no more, batshengise nabani, batshengise. I'm still wearing this black dress, just a dress that I got from my sister, because white and yabankulu. Lucky for me, ngimkhulu nam. So wanginikeza yona-ke le ngubo lena the fix. Yeah, the fixie. So I'm just wearing it with opaqa and socks because I'm still gonna change my Sisila Pambili. I've already picked.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
I've already chosen. I've already chosen my outfits. But since one of my is shoot okay. I've already chosen my outfits, nothing hectic, just casual outfits. So yeah, I've already chosen them, and picky. Yeah. Let's hit the road.
Bathi umato wodwa bazowenzani umato wodwa?
Sibofana mina esikolokolo sabo lesi. Amavenda
Oitu, bhala lapha. Oitu. And action. Sanibonani kugubhu lwami. For the first one, we're wearing yellow. It's just a long dress. It's gonna be like here. It's just a long dress with my socks. Where's the umbrella?
that's for me.
You want this one? This is outfit number 2. I'm hoping you guys are still enjoying the vlog because I'm behind the scenes. But this is outfit number 2. It's just this dress I bought. It's Tegwini. Can't remember the price, but in there, paying more Tegwini. Can't say you could drop if I'm not mistaken. Now go Moonlights for sure you can't. Then my socks no pagabasani. Then my hair from Barbie Hair. And then face card decline standard procedure. Yeah, so we're then consistent shooter and your episode. Yeah.